Hey Geekians, welcome back to Geeky Sanjay. I just wanted to say big thank you to all of you who have subscribed to our tech channel Geeky Sanjay. We have hit really exciting milestone 500 subscribers. On the occasion of 500 subscribers, we are launching our website geekysanjay.com where you can download all notes and articles related to backend and front-end technology like DSA, SQL, Java, LLD, HLD, React, JavaScript. Let's check out our website geekysanjay.com. My goal is to create a platform where you can easily find all the content you need in simple language. Right now, we are just starting out, so there's not much content and some tabs might not be relevant. But soon we will be adding lots of articles, especially my notes, to make it easier for you to navigate. This website will be a handy resource for all of my notes, and we are working hard to add over thousands pages of content. You will see big changes soon. In the meantime, thank you for your support. I am launching this website early so you can access all my notes right away, and I will keep developing it as we go along. On the homepage, you can learn more about me and my vision. Click on courses to access all the notes. So after click on the course, you redirected on this courses pages, and here you can find my all notes related to like low level designs, Java, SQL, and the data structure. Okay. Whenever you are just simply want any nodes, so you have to just click on this and you will be redirected on the notes page where you can get all the related subject here. As you can see, SQL interview questions, SQL cheat sheet, SQL mock interview experience, SQL important interview queries. Okay, whenever you need a note, simple click on this download notes, and you on your click you will be redirected on this page, and you can see here I have already written, because as you can see exercise files is here, and I have written get notes from the exercise file. Later on I will change this tab to the download. So whenever you click here, you will get my notes, and just simple click here and it will be downloaded wherever you want. So this is simple, and you can see here we have a two button, next and previous. So it is I added for the use is for you. Okay, so you can navigate easily to all articles. So whenever you are clicking on the next, then you will go to the next article in the same course. Okay, and you also can go to the previous. And I have added here my videos also. As you know, my channel geekysanjay.com, where you can find all the videos. So same, you can get it there. So I added here, so you can just simply watch play here, or if you want you can go there directly. Okay, and here is my detail if you required. So this is my website which I have created. Thank you. Your support means everything to me. Let's keep learning, exploring tech together. Your one subscribe, one like, and one share fuel for me. Thanks for keep supporting. I need your same love and support for visiting my website geekysanjay.com and follow me on Instagram. Thank you.